Living with diabetes requires a holistic approach to health, and one essential aspect is ensuring your body receives the right nutrients. Vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining overall well-being, and for those managing diabetes, certain vitamins can offer significant benefits. In this video, we will explore the top 9 vitamins that can help individuals with diabetes better manage their condition. 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is often referred to as the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it when exposed to sunlight. Research suggests that adequate levels of vitamin D may improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporating foods rich in vitamin D, such as fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and spending time outdoors, can contribute to diabetes management. 2. Vitamin C. Known for its immune-boosting properties, vitamin C is also beneficial for individuals with diabetes. It has been linked to lower fasting blood sugar levels and improved glycemic control. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and leafy greens are excellent sources of vitamin C that can be easily incorporated into a diabetes-friendly diet. 3. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E may help protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Research suggests that vitamin E supplementation can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Nuts, seeds, and spinach are good sources of vitamin E that can be included in a balanced diet. 4. Vitamin B complex. The B vitamin family, including B1, thiamine, B6, pyridoxine, and B12, cobalamin, plays a crucial role in carbohydrate metabolism. These vitamins aid in converting food into energy, supporting nerve health, and reducing the risk of diabetic neuropathy. Whole grains, lean meats, and leafy greens are rich sources of B vitamins. 5. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health, and recent studies suggest its potential role in improving insulin sensitivity. Leafy green vegetables, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are excellent sources of vitamin K that can be part of a diabetes-friendly diet. 6. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and mucous membranes. For individuals with diabetes, vitamin A contributes to immune system function and may help lower the risk of complications. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach are rich in vitamin A and can be incorporated into a balanced diet. 7. Magnesium. While not a vitamin, magnesium is a vital mineral that deserves attention in diabetes management. Magnesium plays a role in insulin sensitivity, glucose regulation, and blood pressure control. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods such as nuts, seeds, and leafy greens can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. 8. Chromium. Chromium is a trace mineral that enhances insulin action, potentially improving glucose metabolism. While chromium deficiency is rare, including sources like broccoli, grape juice, and whole grains in the diet may offer additional support for individuals with diabetes. 9. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, have anti-inflammatory properties and may improve insulin sensitivity. These healthy fats can be a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Incorporating these essential vitamins and minerals into your diet can complement your diabetes management plan. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes or adding supplements, as individual needs may vary. By prioritizing nutrient-rich foods and maintaining a well-balanced lifestyle, individuals with diabetes can empower themselves to lead healthier lives.